Hello and welcome back. So we are coming back from makemoneyfromcoding.com. My name is Patrick Farrell and I help you make more money from coding. You can check out makemoneyfromcoding.com to actually start to sell your software on this platform. On the last video, we ended with the AI working for me to build a blogging engine, and we were using Claude Code to actually create a blog engine for this platform. So we're going to continue on now and show you what has actually been built. So this is the first time I'm actually looking at this code or the result, and actually I want to do something along the way. One thing I find very, very valuable is saving my prompts and seeing what it generated along the way. And if you don't know, I have I use Visual Studio to keep track of my changes. And I have this really long prompts.md file, which honestly should be way better structured in the long run. But what we're going to do is we're going to create a new section here, and we're going to say building a blogging engine. So I want to go back to my original prompt that I gave it, and I want to save that because that is valuable in the future. So here it is. Let's save this. And we're actually going to put that into the commit message too. So I was talking about Git on the last video, and what I want to do is actually open Git GUI, which will, if we type Git GUI here, we can see, and that opens. And these are the additional changes it was making while it was trying to fix everything. Now remember, this is the first time I'm seeing this feature, so I have not validated. And what I told you guys was when you're coding with AI, you start basically going from being the engineer that's doing everything to being the designer and the architect, and then the QA and test engineer. And I do believe you can honestly eliminate some of the QA and test with another AI agent, but right now I haven't gotten there in my own development journey. I've started building that, but I'm still very much in the QA and test phase myself. So what I'm going to do is also put that prompt here. So when I put this commit in history, I can go back to what the prompt was that I used to create this thing. And I'm going to say commit, and I'm also going to take what it gave me as the output here, and I'm going to put that in the prompts.md file so that we can remember what it gave us. So this is interesting. Hang on, let me commit that again. And what we're going to do is go read what it's giving us before we actually try to start it. So pretty complex feature we have here. Excellent. I've created a complete world-class blogging platform for Make Money from Coding. Now, remember, like, this is crazy. Like, it was just me starting to do this before, and I want to make sure I'm actually showing you my screen here. So hang on one second. Let's see. Now, I think I'm showing you the wrong thing real quick, so hang on one second. Let me make sure that I'm showing you. So that's my camera. Hi, guys. I'm still learning how to use this streaming tool, and it seems to be streaming the blog page, but not the terminal window. And I'm trying to get that terminal window to show up for you. Let's see. Still looking for it. I'm not sure why. Hang on. Turns that off. Goes back. Let's open the live stream and just kind of confirm that you guys are seeing the right thing here. All right, that was the video. Here's the live one that we're actually. Yeah. All right, so something's wrong with this video, and I'm going to stop and restart it so that we can go on to number 4.